Yala Yala is a household name for rugby in Fiji. Having started in the 80s with the famous Samoa Ndiri Yala Yala representing Fiji, the tradition continues in the family today. However, the name Yala Yala has popped up again, and this time it's not because of rugby. In our successful Fijian segment tonight, we'll see how 36-year-old Ndiri Yala Yala plans to make it big in the clothing industry. Ali Kimbia with the story.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.
Working hard and having no regret is what drives Ndiri Yala Yala to pursue better things in life.
Done all my schooling in Australia. I did spend 1 year in Fiji in 1999, and I went to school at Leilin, and I was staying with my auntie and got to play some Dean's rugby. And that 1 year in Fiji, I got to learn a lot about the culture, the customs, the tradition, the language.
Starting from scratch, Yala Yala was always determined to do something different.
It sort of came naturally. And then positioning my business and my brand within rugby sevens, that was my niche. So I think one has to find their own niche first of all, yeah, and then obviously have the passion and creativity to develop your ideas within your niche market. And then in terms of the business side of things, you know, it's just basically hard work.
He says the secret to success is making use of every opportunity in life.
Like being born and bred in Australia, even as a teenager, I'd go to school with at least $10 or $20 in my pocket. You know, you'd have the latest sneakers, you'd have your Walkman, and everything was given to you, and you took it for granted to a degree. I didn't really understand how lucky I was, and then I came to Fiji and started schooling at Leilin, and then had to call my dad for 20 cents or 50 cents to play snooker. It was totally different.
The brand Yala Yala is now growing its status in the region, with many top athletes making it their preferable wear.
It wasn't essentially a business. I just thought I wanted to create a brand. So, I said, okay, because our family name was Yala Yala, and I knew in Arabic, Yala Yala means hurry up, come. So, and in Sydney, I grew up with a lot of the Arabic and Middle Eastern, so when they saw my surname was Yala Yala, I had to tell them, no, in Fijian it means to make a promise. So then I studied a bit of fashion design, and then there was a subject where you had to create your own brand. And I said, okay, I'll use my surname because it means something in 2 different languages.
Yala Yala says family support is something that motivates him to do well.
I actually went to my dad first before I started and said, hey, Dad, I want to use our family name, Yala Yala, for business. Is that all right? He said, yeah, sure. So he's pretty relaxed like that. I think my mum she didn't know too much about it until until a lot of people started calling her about it and talking to her about it. And she's like, oh, yeah, okay, he's doing good. And so
Yala Yala is of the belief that Fijians has what it takes to excel in the business world.
I say, what's stopping you? Don't let anything hold you back from developing your ideas.
The Yala Yala brand is now marketed in Australia, and discussions is underway to launch the brand in Fiji. Ali Kimbia, FBC News.
Successful Fijians is brought to you by the Fiji Development Bank, your partner in progress.